Hey everyone, we want to make sure our crypto wallet on Brave is secure and fully verified. In this video, we show step-by-step how to verify our wallet on Brave. This way, we can safely send, receive, and manage our digital assets. The Brave wallet is a secure, non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet built directly into the Brave browser. It does not require any extensions and lets us manage, store, swap, and buy crypto assets across multiple blockchains. It also supports connecting to Web3 apps and hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor. The wallet on Brave helps us securely store and manage cryptocurrencies and tokens directly in the browser. We can send, receive, and swap crypto, interact with decentralized applications, and manage our digital assets without needing a separate wallet. Let's follow these steps together to verify our wallet and check the ECS rates. Even if we are new, we can do this together. First, open the browser. We go to Settings, or the toolbar, on the right side of the browser. Here, we see Brave Wallet. We go to Settings. Here, we see Wallet. We just need to click this. If we don't have a wallet yet, we need to create a new wallet. Since we don't have one, we click Need a new wallet. Then we verify it this time, and then press Continue. Next, we continue with the 13 networks. We can deselect, choose one, or check them all. Continue. Now, we set the password. We enter our password. Once the passwords match, we continue. Enter the word in position 4 from our recovery phrase. We just need to go to the 4th word. Now let's create a portfolio. Now we have our wallet. It is verified, and we can confirm it is now verified. Now we can use this phantom wallet with Brave, and that's it. We have verified our Brave wallet, so we can send, receive, and manage crypto securely and use all Brave rewards features. Remember to keep our recovery phrase safe and never share it with anyone.